ISRO's Vikram Sarabhai Space Center VSSC's CROPS Compact Research Module for Orbital Plant Studies experiment onboard PSLV C60 POEM4 successfully sprouted cowpea seeds under microgravity conditions in 4 days. In total, 24 payloads, including crops, were launched in the PS4 orbital experiment model POEM4 mission on board the PSLV C60 SpaceX mission to support a wide array of scientific and technological endeavors. The PSLV orbital experiment model POEM is a practical solution deployed by ISRO that allows Indian startups, academic institutions, and research organizations to test their space technologies without the need to launch entire satellites. Some facts about cowpea. Cowpea Vagna unguiculata is an annual plant within the pea family Fabaceae. It is also known as black-eyed pea. Southern pea originated and was domesticated in southern Africa and was later moved to East and West Africa and Asia. The world's largest production and consumption of cowpea is in West Africa, which accounts for more than 87% of world production and use. Nigeria, the largest producer and consumer, accounts for 46% of production worldwide. Its tolerance for sandy soil and low rainfall has made it an important crop in semi-arid regions across Africa and Asia. It requires very few inputs as the plant's root nodules are able to fix atmospheric nitrogen, making it a valuable crop for resource poor farmers and well suited to intercropping and other crop. Cowpeas can erect, semi-erect, trailing or climbing. The crop is mainly grown for its seeds, which are high in protein, although the leaves and immature seed pods can be also consumed. The grain is rich source of folic and important vitamins that helps prevent neural tube defects in unborn babies. In the Indian context, it is minor pulse cultivated mainly in arid and semi-arid tracts of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, and West UP, along with considerable area in Rajasthan, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The cowpea has often been referred to as a poor man's meat due to high level of protein found in the seeds and leaves.